Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to my class. Yes, here I am going to discuss the subject mathematics. The topic is triangles. Let us discuss here few important MCQ question based on the topic triangles. Let us start the class with first question. Yes, let us discuss few important question based on the topic triangles. Those you are in live, please tell me my voice is coming properly or not. Yes. First question. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 40 centimeter more than the length of its sides. What is the length of each side of this equilateral triangle? See, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. What is mean by equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means the length of all the three sides, the length it will be same. Consider ABC is an equilateral triangle. The length of all the three sides it should be equal. Then here they are given in the question the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of this triangle it will be equal to 40 centimeter more than the length of each sides. Perimeter it will be 40 meter more plus length of each sides. Consider the length here may be x centimeter. I will consider as x. You can consider even a also, even x also, x centimeter. Unknown variables, anything you can take here. I will consider as x centimeter. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 40 centimeter more than the length of each sides. Then what is the length of each side of the equilateral triangle? What is the length? X you have to find here. Then what is mean by perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Length of sum of all the sides. Perimeter I will write here. Perimeter of equilateral triangle, it will be equal to sum of all sides. Perimeter they are given how much? 40 plus x. This it will be equal to sum of all sides. X plus x is nothing but write it full format. Then 40 plus x it will be equal to 3x. Then 40 it will be equal to 2x. Then the value of x it will be 20 centimeter. The value of x is 20 centimeter. Atharva, more than one of the above? No. Sorry. Now you got the value. Now you understood how to find out. They are given the condition here. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is x. It will be 20 centimeter. Those who are there in live, please tell me my voice is coming correctly or not. Is my video is audible properly? Yes. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 40 centimeter more than the length of its side. Consider as x. Then you have to find the value of x. Consider perimeter of an equilateral triangle. It will be sum of all the sides. Simplify, you will get the value of x. It will be 20 centimeter. Let us move to the next question. Question number second. Very important question. Yes, the base of a triangle is equal to perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 7 root 2 centimeter. I will write the triangle here. Okay, A, B, C I will consider. This is the base. Then this is the height of the triangle we will consider. Then here the base of a triangle is equal to perimeter of a square. This is the base of the triangle. This it will be equal to perimeter of a square. This it will be equal to 1 square. Okay, the base it will be equal to square perimeter of a square whose diagonal length they are given 7 root 2. Then its height is equal to, then this is the height of the triangle. Then height this height it will be equal to one more square, okay, whose area is 169 centimeter square. Okay, then you have to here directly they can give the value of base and height. If they give the value of base and height directly, then you can find the perimeter of a square, perimeter of an area of the triangle directly off into base into height. Using that formula you can find directly. But here they are not given directly what is the base, what is the height value. Instead of that one they are given the condition, the base of the triangle it will be equal to perimeter of a square whose diagonal value is 7 root 2, and the height of the triangle it will be equal to side of a square whose area is 169 centimeter square. Then find the area of triangle. You have to find the area. Okay, let us find out first base and height using this formula. I will write in the next slide. You know the formula. Area of a triangle it will be equal to off into base into height. Then side of a square diagonal divided by root 2. Then side of a square is maybe this one area of square. Okay, side of a square is side square. Okay, now both the format I given the formula here. Use this formula side of a square to find out the base. I will draw the diagram once again here. This is the square. They are given the diagonal length. Diagonal length they are given 7 root 2. This is the base of the triangle you have to find out. You know the formula. Side of a square I will write here. Side of square it will be equal to diagonal divided by root 2. Then diagonal value they are given here 7 root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 it will get cancelled. Then the side of square this it will be equal to 7. This side of a square it will be equal to 7. Then how to find out the perimeter of this square? Perimeter of square it will be equal to 4 into side. Then 4 into side value is 7 centimeter. 7 fours are 28. It is the value of a base of a triangle. Here base of a triangle, what is the value we got here? This is 28. Then we have to find the height of a triangle. They are given one more square. They are given the area of a square. Don't get confused, it is easy only. Then I have to find the height of a triangle. They are given the condition, one more square is there having the area. What is the area? Here they are given area it will be 169 centimeter square. This is 28 centimeter. Then here, what is the formula to find out the area of a square? Area of a square, it will be equal to side square. Then area is 169, then side square, then this side it will be equal to 13, because 13 square is nothing but 169. Then this side length it will be 13, 13, 13, because square all the four sides are equal. Then now you got what is the height of the triangle here. What is the height you got here? The height of the triangle here it will be 13 centimeter. This height it will be 13 centimeter. Next, what is the formula for area of a triangle? What is the formula for area of a triangle? The formula is half into base into height. Half into base is 28 centimeter, then height is 13, then 2 ones are 2 14s are 14 into 13 multiply, you will get 182 centimeter square. Yes, good afternoon nature. I will explain this problem once again. Listen. Only this is the second problem I started. Now only I started the class. Don't worry, you not missed so many problem. First problem is easy only, you can do it. Second problem, this is the second one. I will explain once again. Listen here, and also tell me my voice is proper. Is it audible properly? Nature, tell me my voice is audible properly. A base of a triangle is equal to perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 7 root 2 centimeter. Here they are not given the base and height of a triangle. Here they are given in terms of some condition. This type of problem normally they will ask in TET exam, even gpstr, hstr also, because if they are given directly base and height, then you know the formula of area of a triangle of into base into height, directly substitute, you will get the answer. But here, instead of giving base and height value directly, they are given two condition in terms of a square. Then let us consider the base, what condition they are given to find the value of a base of a triangle. This it will be equal to perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 7 root 2. Here they are given the square, okay, having a diagonal, its value is 7 root 2. From this one you have to find the value of a base. Perimeter of this square it will be equal to base value. Then second, height, how you can find the height of a triangle? Then here they are given its height is equal to side of a square whose area is 169. From this one you have to find the side. I solved here in detail. First, base, how to solve? The side of a square is nothing but diagonal divided by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled, it will be 7. Then base it will be equal to base it will be equal to base it will be equal to perimeter of a square, 4 into side, 4 into 7, it is 28 centimeter. This is the value of a base of a triangle. Then next condition, wait a minute, something happened here. Okay, some it got struck. Why? Wait 1 minute. Okay, now it will. Yes, next one height they are given here. The next condition to find the value of height of a triangle, they are given area of square is 169. Then how you will get the side it will be area, it will be equal to side square, then side it will be 13 centimeter. Then this is the height value. Then area of a triangle of into base into height, we got the value of base also, height also, multiply, you will get the value of 182 centimeter square. I think everyone you understood. Easy problem. I wrote all the steps, that's why it is looking like big, but it is very easy. If you have the doubt, you can ask me. Let us move to the next question. Here direct simple problem I not consider the simple one, because simple problems based on the property, then based on the values, if they give directly, you can do it, you can solve very easily. But here I took more difficult problems based on the concept. That's why concentrate more when I am explaining. Okay. Next, the area of a circular park is very nearly equal to 7 7/15th of the area of a triangular field having a side 110 meter, 600 meter, 610 meter. What is the diameter of the park? Here area of a circular park I will write here. area of area of a circular park, it will be equal to 7/15th, they are given in the question, times of the area of the triangular field. Then here consider, here they are given triangular field having the side, they are given triangular field, they are given. Then here, and also they are given the value of the side a, b, c. Consider here, one is 110, 600, 610. The longer length consider as hypotenuse 610. Consider this is 600. Then this one is 110. These two you can exchange, but consider the longer value of the longer value, otherwise larger value, big value. Consider as the hypotenuse. Always hypotenuse length it will be more. No, that's why consider. And also here you have to, when they are given, remember here they are mentioned here area of a rectangular field having the side, here they are given three sides. But if you want to find out the area of a triangle, then you know the formula of into base into height. But here you don't know which one is base, which one is height. Simply randomly we can't consider 600 is the base, 110 is the height. We have to verify no which one is the base, which one is the height. And also consider here, consider this triangle as a right angle triangle. Then according to the Pythagoras theorem, whether it will satisfy or not, first you have to verify that one, whether it will satisfy or not. Let us consider ab square, it will be equal to ac square plus cb square. When they are given all the three values, also don't take some randomly, some value as a base, some value as a height. No, you have to satisfy the values whether it will satisfy the condition of an right angle triangle. When right angle triangle is proved, then in the right angle triangle you know which one is the base, which one is the height. Then according to that one you can take. Then here ab square value is 610 square, ac square is 110, then cb square is 600. You have to equate here 610, 610, what is the square? You will get the value 372100. 110 means 12100. Then this is 36 1 2 3 4 zeros. Add, you will get both the side LHS RHS, both the sides same value. Yes, both the side you got the same value. Then we can consider this is a right angle triangle. This triangle is a right angle triangle, because according to the Pythagoras theorem, if you consider this AB square is AC square CB square, if it is satisfy the condition, then we can consider this is a right angle triangle. Now you don't have any confusion. This one CB you can consider as a base, otherwise consider 110 as a base, smaller value. Otherwise if you consider that also you will get the same value. Better consider for base the smaller one. Okay, consider this is 110, this is 600, this is 110, this is 600. Then here also I will change, wait a minute. But if you consider this is 110 means CB square, 600 means AC square. Always consider the smaller value as a base, then hypotenuse consider the bigger value, then AC is almost these two, it will be like similar. Okay, like that take. Then here if I touch little also it will get stuck. I don't know why it is happening like this. Okay, yes, let us move. Now you can consider area of a triangle. Now you can substitute the value area of triangle of into base into height. Then of base value is 110. Then height is, what is the height? Height it will be 600. If you consider both the values I told now, if you interchange these two values also, whatever you will get, if you interchange base and height in this right angle triangle, you will get the same value. Don't get confused. You will get the, don't get panic why I change. If you consider this CB as 600, this is as 110 also. Area of a triangle of into base into height, you are multiplying both the values, then your answer it will not change. Why I simply change, otherwise you can consider same. Okay, 2 ones are, this is 5s are, then this one 5s are 10, multiply you will get the value 33,000. Then area of a circular park, area of a circular park it will be equal to 7 by 15 times area of a triangle, 33,000. Then area of a circular park, what, how you can find the area of a circular park? This is the circular park area, it will be pi r square. Then these two simplify, you will get the value of 15400. Cancellation, simplification, do it yourself. Then substitute the value of pi here, 22 by 7 into r square, this it will be equal to 15400. Then r square it will be equal to 15400. Take the reciprocal, you will get 7 by 22. Then 2 11s are, then this 2 7s are, 2 7s are, then 11 ones are, 11 7s are. Then r square it will be 44,900. Then r value it will be 70 meter. Square root of 49, 7 square is 49, therefore your correct answer it will be, yes, 40 meter. Then they are asking the diameter. Diameter it will be 2r, 2 into 70 it will be equal to 140 meter. Yes, Adava nature is correct. It will be equal to 140 meter. Don't get confused when you will see like this problem. I told no, the area of a circular park is very nearly equal to 7 by 15th time of the area of a triangular field. They are given the all the three sides. What is the diameter of the park? Diameter of the park they are asking here. Then if they are given three values, consider the hypotenuse, the bigger value as the side. These two you can exchange, that the value it will not change. Then verify whether it will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem or not. Then if it is valid, then you can consider the base and height. Then it will be nature. Definitely like this problem they will give Pythagoras values only, Pythagoras triplet only they will give. Otherwise if they are not given Pythagoras triplet, directly they have to give either base and height, directly they have to give the value, otherwise some condition they have to give. base is this much more than the height, like that some condition they will give. Otherwise definitely if they are given three values, they will give definitely Pythagoras triplet. Otherwise how you can choose which one is a base, which one is a height? Okay, let us move to the next question. Today's I am discussing more important questions. Okay, you will feel these questions are little difficult, but these questions are very important. Definitely they will ask in the exam. In one problem only I included 2 3 concept, but tet any one they can ask. But when we solved difficult problem only, in the exam it will become easy. If they give easy problem, then easily you can solve. Next question, this one is easy, directly you can do it. In a triangle, yes, in a triangle with one of the angle is 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree means you can consider this one is a right angle triangle. In a triangle with one of the angle equal to 90 degree, two sides are given 60 centimeter 80 centimeter. Any two sides, either you can take this is as 60, this is as 80, values it will not change, don't worry. Okay, two sides, two sides as 60 and 80 centimeter. What is the length of the longest side? You have to find the length of the longest side. Then apply here Pythagoras theorem. Then AB square it will be equal to AC square plus BC square. Then AC square is 60 square, BC square is 80 square. Then this is one is 6 square means 36. Then 8 square means 64. Add, you will get 10,000. Then AB value is 100 centimeter. This value is the longest, the length of the longest side is 100 centimeter. The correct answer for this question is 100 centimeter. Okay, 6 8 10 triplets. Let us move to the next question. Yes, an equilateral triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle. I included the diagram here, I think. Yes, I will read the question, then I will show the figure. An equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in a circle means the triangle, it is included inside the circle with center O. D is a point on the minor arc BC and angle CBD is 40 degree. Find the measure of BCD. Find the measure of BCD. This value you have to find. This value you have to find. Consider this is the triangle, two triangles that is inscribed means that is it is inside the circle. Inscribed means inside the circle. They are given the value of, here they are given the value of CBD. This angle is 40 degree. You have to find the value of BCD. This angle you have to find. Then two important thing you have to remember here. In an equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle means all the angle in equilateral triangle is 60 60 degree 60 degree. If they mention in the question, if it is an equilateral triangle, all the three angles are same means 60 degree. ABC is inscribed in a circle. Okay, ABC is the triangle with center O. This is the center O and angle CBD. This angle they are given as 40 degree. Without solving, without writing anything, you can find the value of BCD. How I will tell directly. Then I will solve with the steps also. In the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Consider this one is the cyclic quadrilateral ABDC. This one is the cyclic quadrilateral. In this case, sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Directly I will write here angle A, angle D, this it will be equal to 180 degree. Sum of the opposite angle. Angle B, angle C, we can't consider this one because we don't know the value. I know the value of B, 60 plus 40, this one is 100. Like this also you can find, but consider this AD angle. These two angles sum it will be 180 degree according to the sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Then angle A is 60 degree, angle D we have to find. This it will be equal to 180 degree. Angle D it will be equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. Angle D it is 120 degree. Yes, angle D is 120 degree. Then we know, consider this is as a triangle. Consider the triangle. Next BDC, otherwise consider the angle BDC. Consider this triangle BDC, otherwise BCD. Okay, then consider some of the, if we consider this is as a triangle 1 2 3, three angles sum it will be equal to 180 degree, means 40 plus 120 degree. This angle we don't know, consider as x. This it will be equal to 180 degree. Then this is 160 degree plus x 180 degree. Then x value it will be 28 degree. X is nothing but angle BCD. This BCD, this angle, its value is 20 degree. Yes, nature, the angle it will be 20 degree. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 20 degree. I told now this problem is very easy. Without using pen, you can tell the answer directly, because you know in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. Then already one is 60 degree, another opposite is 120. 180 minus 60 is 120. Already you know two angles 120 40, then add 120 plus 40 160. Then sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree minus 160 degree, you will get 20 degree. Without using pen, directly you can do it. Definitely this problem, this type of problem, they will ask in TET. No need to write everything in detail. Easy problem. Let us move to the next problem, question number 9. Today I will take at least more than 1 hour, because yesterday I am not able to take the classes. That's why, because I have to solve more number of questions, I prepared 15 questions. I will solve all the 15 questions more than 1 hour also. I will complete today triangles. Okay. Next, question number 9. In an equilateral triangle, again equilateral triangle, median AD, BE, CF intersect to each other at a point G. If the area of quadrilateral BDGF is 12 root 3 centimeter, then the side of triangle ABC is, what is the side of the triangle ABC? Okay, I included the diagram here. Sometimes they will give the diagram, otherwise you have to draw. Equilateral triangle means the angle it will be 60 degree. Area of a quadrilateral, they are given in the question, that is 12 root 3 centimeter square. We know that the median of a triangle is cut the triangle in equal areas. Consider this is AD as the median, they are given in the question. This median it will cut the triangle into two equal of, that is the meaning of a median. What is mean by median? Means exactly that median it will divide the triangle into exactly equal of. The median AD, BE, CF intersect to each other at the point G. Here you are having three medians. Okay, one is, first one is AD, second one is FC, third one is EB. Three medians, they will intersect at a point G. And here when the medians, when they are cutting the triangle, then it will cut the triangle into two equal half. That you have to keep in mind. Then area of a triangle, it will be equal to area of a quadrilateral into 3. That also you have to remember. Then one more, how to find out the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. That formula also you have to remember. I will write in the next step area of a triangle. I will write here only area of triangle ABC, it will be equal to area of quadrilateral here I can't write BDGF into 3. Why 3 means consider here BDGF. This is a quadrilateral. Like this you are having 3 quadrilateral. 1, here one more, 2, this one is 3. All the 3 quadrilateral area it will be same. Why it is same? Because you are having 3 medians, and these 3 medians it will cut the area of a circle into equal parts, means you will get, you are having here inside the triangle you are having 3 equal quadrilateral. That's why area of a triangle ABC it will be equal to area of quadrilateral BDGF into 3. I given the name one name like this. You are having 3 quadrilaterals here. Because medians they are same, medians they will cut the area of a triangle into equal parts. That one you have to remember. Then substitute here area of a triangle is root 3 by 4 into a square. This is the formula when we have to find the area of a triangle ABC. Then here area of quadrilateral they are given in the question. They are given directly area of a quadrilateral 12 root 3 centimeter square. They are given directly in the question. 12 into root 3 into 3. This 3. Then root 3 it will get cancelled. Then a square it will be equal to 12 into 3 fours are 12. Then a value it will be 12 centimeter. A square is 12 into 12 means what is the value of a? That is 12 centimeter. What they are asking in the question here? Then the side of the triangle. Side of the triangle is 12 centimeter. That's why understanding the concept is very important when you are solving quadrilateral, triangle, circle problems. Understanding the concept, how to solve the problem is very easy. Solution is easy, but you have to know the concept, properties, everything in detail, then easily you can solve the problem. That's why read all the properties and also theorems, everything, then it will become easy. Let us move to the next question. Okay, question number 10. An isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles means what is the meaning? Two sides are equal. Isosceles triangle ABC, if AB is equal to AC is equal to 26 centimeter, BC is 20 centimeter, find the area of the triangle ABC. Easy question this one. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, 26 centimeter, 26 centimeter. Then BC is 20 centimeter. Then you have to draw the line AD. Anything they are given in anything they are mentioned here. Isosceles triangle. Okay. AB, AC values they are given. BC is given. Find the area of the triangle. See, they are mentioned here. Isosceles triangle means consider this is AD. If you draw a line, then if you have to draw a, consider as a median only, then here it will cut BC into equal parts. Total BC value is 20 centimeter. Then this the median, this angle it will be like 90 degree. Then this ABD, this is a right angle triangle. Then ADC, this is also another right angle triangle. Then use this Pythagoras theorem, then you will get the value here. ADC is a right angle triangle. ADC, this angle is 90 degree. ADC. Then here AB square, it will be, this is the hypotenuse square. Then AB square, it will be equal to AD square plus AD square plus BD square. Then AB square, its value is 26 square. Then AD height we don't know, right as it is. BD is 10 square. Then AD square, it will be 26 square means 676 minus 100. Then AD square is 576. Then 576. AD value, it will be 24 square is nothing but 576. AD value is 24 centimeter. Now we got height, base into height. Then area of a triangle, it will be of into base into height. Then of base is 10 centimeter. Oh yeah, no. If they are asking, I will write the area of triangle ABC, bigger triangle they are asking. Don't get confused. Area of, I will write here. I will write. Otherwise, you will get confused. Area of triangle, that is bigger triangle they are asking, ABC. Not the smaller one. They are not asking ABD. Bigger triangle they are asking. Of into base is not 10 here. This sum is 20 into height is 24. Then 2 ones are 10. It will be 240 centimeter square. Area of the isosceles triangle, it will be 240 centimeter square. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 240 centimeter square. Parthasarathi, yes, 240 centimeter square. Let us move to the next question now. Understood? Next important question. 5 more questions are there. 15 questions. All the questions are very, very important. Yes, again, the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle is 4 root 3 centimeter square. The area of the circle. Yes, I will consider the diagram here. See, this is an equilateral triangle means length it will be same, AAA. This is inscribed in a circle. Area of equilateral triangle 4 root 3 centimeter square. This is the formula we will use. Area of an equilateral triangle is 4 root 3 centimeter square. Sorry, this is not the formula. They are given here. This is the formula. This is not the formula. This is the formula. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. This is the formula. This they are given in the question. Here they are given the value 4 root 3 centimeter square. This is the value they are given. Equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle. Area of equilateral triangle, this triangle area already they are given. Then what you have to calculate here, area inscribed in a circle, the area of a circle you have to calculate. What is the area of a circle you have to calculate. Then area of equilateral triangle, what is the formula? Formula root 3 by 4 a square. But this value they are given in the question, that is 4 root 3. This value they are given 4 root 3, it will be equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Root 3 it will get cancelled. Then a square it will be 16. Then the value of a it will be 4 centimeter. Then a value we got. What is the value of a? A it will be 4 centimeter. Then what is the formula of area of circle? A is here. A is 4 centimeter means this is the radius. See, this is the center. Then this is the radius of a circle. Then radius it will be 4. A is 4. No. Wait. Side is 4. Then circumference of an equilateral triangle. Circumference, what is the formula for circumference of an equilateral triangle? I will write, then I will explain. Circumradius, sorry, not circumference, circumradius. Circumradius of equilateral triangle. This it will be equal to a divided by root 3. Then r it will be equal to 4 by root 3. This is the formula you have to remember. Formula circumradius of an equilateral triangle. When you are having an equilateral triangle, circumradius of an equilateral triangle, it will be equal to a divided by root 3. This is the formula you have to use. You can use the formula directly. Okay. Then you will get r value, it will be 4 divided by root 3. Now you calculate area of a circle. Area of a circle, this it will be equal to pi r square. Pi value is, consider pi only because they are given option value of pi. 4 divided by root 3 into 4 divided by root 3. This it will be equal to 4 4s are 16. Root 3 root 3 root 3 into root 3, it will be equal to root 3 whole square. Its value is 3. 16 by 3 pi centimeter square. 16 by 3 pi centimeter square. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 16 by 3 pi. Very easy problem. Only you have to remember the formula. Area of equilateral triangle, root 3 by 4 a square, that you have to remember. Then circumradius of an equilateral triangle, a divided by root 3. Already you got the value of a is 4 centimeter. 4 divided by root 3. Then area of circle pi r square means directly you will get. Okay. Use the formulas. It will become easy for you. Whatever the questions today I am discussing, 15 question, all the 15 questions are very important. You have to practice. Without practicing maths, definitely you will not get any good marks in the exam. How many times you will practice at least one single problem? You have to practice at least 2-3 times, then only you can do it in the exam. When I am teaching, then your mind it will feel, oh yes, I know the concept, yes, I know the formula, everything. But without practicing, if you go in the exam, you are not able to solve even one problem also, at least. That's why I am telling you, practice the problem, especially in maths. At least science you can tick the answer if you know the concept, but maths you have to practice. Let us move to the next question now. A center of an equilateral triangle is at a distance of 3.2 centimeter from the base of the triangle. What is the length in centimeter of its altitudes? They will give even problem, sorry, figure also. Here this is an equilateral triangle. Then this is the equilateral triangle, it is inscribed in a circumcenter of an equilateral triangle is at a distance of circumcenter they are given, that is 3.2 centimeter. This is the circumcenter, its value they are given from, this is the circumcenter, from here to here they are given the value 3.2 centimeter. Then what you have to calculate here, from the base of the triangle, what is the length in centimeter of each of its altitude? You have to find the length AD, altitude. From the altitude you have to find. From the equilateral triangle property, O is the circumcenter. From equilateral triangle property, I will write from the equilateral triangle property you have to remember, that's why you have to learn all the property. O is the circumcenter as well as the centroid. O here act as a circumcenter or centroid, therefore OD it will be equal to 1 by third of AD. Okay, this is the OD length, is it will be equal to 1 by third of the length of AD. Circumcentroid, okay, circumcenter it will act as a centroid. Then according to the property of an equilateral triangle property, the OD, the circumcenter or centroid, its value is 1 by 3 into AD. Then 1 by AD value it will be equal to 3 into OD. Then AD value you have to find out. OD value is 3.2 centimeter into 3.2. Multiply, you will get 9.6 centimeter. This AD length is 9.6 centimeter. Understood? That's why you have to remember from the equilateral triangle property, this circumcenter it will act as a centroid. According to the centroid condition, this OD, this length it will be equal to 1 by third of this length AD. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 9.6 centimeter. Next question, question number 13. This also easy problem. An altitude AD of a triangle ABC is 9 centimeter. This is the altitude. AD, they are given the value 9 centimeter. Then AB is 6 root 3, CD is 3 root 3. Then what is the measure of angle A? You have to find the value of angle A. What is the value of angle A? If this is an equilateral triangle, then definitely the angle it will be 60 degree. Correct? Let us consider here. Yes, this is apply here Pythagoras theorem. Then this is 6 root 3, that is AB square according to the Pythagoras theorem. AB square is BD square plus AD square. Consider the triangle here, triangle ADB. This is 90 degree. They are given in the figure only. Then apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the value of AB? 6 root 3 whole square. Then BD square means BD value we don't know. We have to calculate that BD value only. Then AD is how much? They are given 9 square. Then BD square is this 6 root 3 into 6 root 3. It is nothing but 6 6 are 36. Root 3 whole square means 36 into 3. It is nothing but 108. Here you can directly write it as 108 minus 81. Then BD square it will be 27. Then 27 we can write it as 9 3s are 27. Then BD it will be square root of, then this 3 take it as outside, square root 3 root 3 it will be your BD value. BD value it will be 3 root 3. Then here what is the value of all the three sides? It will be, this is 3 root 3 we got. Here this length is same, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 root 3, this is 6 root 3, then this also 6 root 3. Then we can conclude this is an equilateral triangle. Then each angle it will be, here it is 60 degree. Correct answer for this question it will be ABC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore each angle it will be 60 degree. They are asking what will be the measure of angle A. Don't get confused nature, they are not asking the value of, if they ask the value of BAD then your answer is 30 degree, that is correct, but they are asking full angle, what is the value of angle A they are asking. Therefore this is 60 degree. Why we have to do all this one? Because you have to prove this is an equilateral triangle. When you proved that is an equilateral triangle, then only it will satisfy the condition, the angle it will be. But here they are not given, it is an equilateral triangle, they are not given in the question. The altitude AD of a triangle ABC is 9 centimeter, length is given, but here they are anywhere they are not mentioned it is an equilateral triangle. But when we draw the diagram, then once we verified this is a Pythagoras, apply the Pythagoras property, right angle property, then you will come to know this side length is 6 root 3. Then when we got this value, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 root 3, again these two are equal, then this side also it will be equal. Then this we can conclude this is an, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, if this is 90 degree means this angle also it is 90 degree. Then we concluded this is an equilateral triangle, therefore this angle it will be 60 degree. Understood? Yes. Next question, the side of an equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter. What is the radius of the circle circumscribing this equilateral triangle? No need yes, directly apply the radius of a circle circumscribing an equilateral triangle. The formula it will be equal to side root 3. You have to remember the formula. I will write here the radius of a circle circumscribing an equilateral triangle. This formula, what is the formula we will use? Side root 3. Then here they are given what is the radius of the, you have to find the radius here. Or it will be side they are given, say direct substitution, this is the value of side, the side divided by root 3, side is 12 divided by root 3. Then here you have to rationalize this root 3, you don't have any option here, you have to rationalize root 3, root 3 by root 3, this it will be equal to 12 root 3, root 3 into root 3 whole square is nothing but 3, 3 ones are 3 fours are, then your answer is 4 root 3. The answer it will be 4 root 3. Yes nature, 4 root 3 it will be your answer. Today's last question, this is little lengthy but we have to do. almost 1 hour over. Okay, this is the last question. I will stop. The triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Then AB is 5 centimeter. Then BC, from here to here BC is 12 centimeter. Bisector of A meets BC at D. This is the bisector BC at D. What is the length of AD? This length you have to calculate. Consider this is a right angle triangle. Angle is given 90 degree. Solve, you will get. Again here I will write, don't worry. This I will write once again. Values here. This is 5 centimeter. This we have to find. This 90 degree. This value is 12 centimeter. Now AC square is full. Consider the triangle ABC, bigger one. Consider this bigger triangle. Okay, later we will get AD, later we will find AC square. It will be equal to AB square plus BC square, because they are given the value of BC full length. They are given, they are not given. If they are given BD, then you can consider this triangle, but they are not given the value of BD. They are given the value of BC length. BC length they are given. Then AC square, it will be equal to AB is 5 square, BC is 12 square. Then this is 25 plus 144 is nothing but 169. Then AC is square root of 169 is nothing but 13 centimeter. Yes, nature, correct. Then AC is, this full length is 13 centimeter, but we have to find AD. Then AD is if AD is a bisector of triangle BAC, BAC, then see here I will write full, then you will understand. If AD is bisector, okay, bisector of the angle BAC, this angle it will bisect equally, then you can use the formula, you can use the property here, not formula, property. AB divided by this, AB divided by AC, this it will be this length AB AC ratios are equal. Then BD, this it will be equal to DC, this ratios it will be equal. Now substitute the value of ABAC here. AB is 5, AC is 13, then BD divided by DC. We don't know the value of even BD also, DC also. Convert in the form of DC. DC value it will be equal to 13 by 5 into BD. Now consider BC, it will be equal to BD plus DC. I will explain, don't worry. See, consider here, this is AD is the bisector, means this angle, A angle we don't know, this angle it will bisect exactly of this angle, it will get bisector. Then using this AD is a bisector of angle BAC, then use the ratios property. Then AB divided by AC, it will be equal to BD divided by DC. Then BC value it will be equal to BC, this full length it will be equal to BD plus DC. That one only I wrote here. Then substitute here, you will get the value. BC write as it is, BD write as it is. This BD value we got here, DC value we got here, 13 by 5 into BD. Then you can take it as BD as a common. Then 1 plus 13 by 5. Then this it BD it will be equal to, take LCM, 5 plus 13, it will be 18 by 5. This is BC value. Now BC it will be equal to 18 by 5, 18 by 5 into BD. We know the value of, yes, BD it will be 18 by 5. What is the value of 12? 12 value they are given. BC value or they are given, that is 12. Substitute here. BC value is 12. BD value we have to calculate. I will make a little change here. Yes, otherwise substitute 12 here only you will get. They are given in the question. BC value is 12 centimeter. Then BD it will be equal to 12 into, take this reciprocal, 5 by 18. Then simplify, you will get the value 10 by 3. This is the value of BD. But what you have to calculate, what they are asking, they are asking the value of AD. This value of AD they are asking. Again consider the right angle triangle ABD. Now you consider ABD, this right angle triangle. This is little lengthy problem. Now consider the angle, consider the triangle. Now consider the triangle ABD, right angle triangle. Then AD square it will be equal to AB square plus BD square. AD square, this it will be equal to, this value is 5 square plus 10 by 3 whole square. Simplify, 25 plus 100 by 9. Cross, take LCM, you will get 325 by 9. Then AD it will be square root of 325 by 9. Then this 325 we can write it as 25 into 13 divided by 9. Take this 25 outside, 5 root 13 by 3. Therefore the correct answer of AD, 5 root 13, this 5 root 13 by 3 centimeter. Little lengthy problem, but don't worry, this lengthy problem they will not ask in the TET, but in the case in the JPSTR exam they may ask this type of question, because this is 4 marks 5 marks question. This lengthy problem they will ask in JPSTR, they will not ask in TET, don't worry. But this problem is related to topic, no, that's why I took this. Is the, I know this is the lengthy problem, don't get panic. This they will not ask in the TT, but you have to know the concept, how to solve the problem. Maybe they may ask, they will give only this triangle, they may ask what is the value of AD, no need to calculate the remaining one. Maybe they will ask, like this problem they may ask what is the value of AC, like, okay. Yes, almost more than 1 hour. Even I am getting tired, because continuously seeing the computer for a long time, like 1 hour. Even I have to wear the mic, then continuously I have to see the monitor, everything. Even my mind also, it will feel like I will get more headache if I do more live sessions, because all the windows I will be, it will be closed, because I want to avoid the outside noise, everything. Mainly problem is wearing this sorry, a headphone. Wearing the headphone, my head it will start paining. That is only one. Okay, I think this class what we discussed, the topic triangles, it will be very helpful for you. Okay, please give me your feedback in the comment section. And also now the time is 2:30. One more class I will take defect of I will take the defect of I. Maybe the time is now 2:30, no? Around 3:30 I will take one more class defect of I will discuss MCQ questions. Exactly 3:30 I will take the class. Okay, please, if you have the free time, join. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class, and also please like my video. If you like, then even I will get motivated. I can do more classes on TET. Please like, share my videos, and also give me your feedback whenever you will get the free time. I know so many you are not able to attend the live classes. When you will get the free time, watch the recorded class only. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. We will meet in the next class.